welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple, and I am back with another week in my 2024 Project Life album. So this week I will be working on week 34. I am using Elle Studios August kit, and I've already printed my pictures and I'm just laying them out here where I think I want them. Most of these journaling cards are from the August kit, and the die kits are from August kit as well. So I'm going to be using, I love this 4x6 card of the pencils, and I happened to snap a picture of my son's. My oldest was helping my youngest work the laptop because he was working on multiplication facts, and I thought what better way than to do it with games. And so he was teaching him how to use the computer, and because he usually does the iPad, and so I thought that was sweet, and I thought it'd be perfect for homework time. So here I just cut the picture just to make it fit in the middle there, so the pencils are on the top and bottom. And then I do end up using my die cuts from Elle Studio. They are the everyday folding tabs, I believe, and I cut a bunch of them out off camera in different rainbow colors, because usually those are the colors that the kit uses. So here I just have a variety of different kinds of tabs, and I decided that I would use this one. I do end up using the Elle Studio traveler stamp set, and I stamp out "Here We Go." I use the stamp that matches that label, and stamped out "Here We Go," and then I just stuck it behind that picture there and thought that it looked good there. So I didn't know, but I was off camera, and so I lost a little bit of footage, so I do apologize for that. But I'm just quickly here adding a die cut on this 4x6 picture. This happens to be all staff day, and it was kind of like a show, like a theater. It was raising the curtain, where we all, as a staff, like from different organizations and different places, get together. And I went with Jen. That's the top picture, 3x4 picture there. We carpooled together, and it saved us time, and we had a good lunch together, and that was probably the best part. The 3x4 before that, it's a picture of my daughter and I taken right before church. And then I just use these two cute cards from the kit as well. Moving on to the right hand side, I am working on this 4x6 picture, and it's a picture of my brother and all of two oldest kids. We went to go see Alien Romulus, and we watched it in 4DX, and so it was super cool because we had never seen a movie like that where it has all of the effects, like kind of like a simulation ride, like you're moving. The water features, it trickles on you, the wind that blows in front of you. It's super cool. If you have never tried it, you've got to try it. So that was super cool. We enjoyed the movie and the experience. This next 3x4 picture here is a selfie I do at Thursday 3. Are You Kristen? Here on I don't know if she's on YouTube, but I know she's on, for sure I know she's on Instagram. All her information is in my description if you want to see what that's all about. And I just quickly jotted my Thursday 3 off camera because I have to look at my phone in order to see my 3 things that I share. So the next picture over is a picture of my daughter. The coaches picked her to be in the front of the V formation because they said she had the best high jumps, and thought that was super cool, and I wanted just to document about that. I had picked initially this "Let's Go" card, but I decided that I would use a label instead, and I kind of write a little bit of details on there. My husband and the kids and I, the boys, went to go see her, and that was pretty cool. She did pretty awesome. The next 3x4 picture below that, and this 2x3 here, is just a view of where we were sitting. Went to go watch the Grizzly game. Our friends have season tickets, and so we got to sit in box seats and got the VIP experience. It was pretty cool. Like, I wasn't expecting, we had no plans, and just out of the blue, his friend just calls him up and told him, "Hey, get ready, I'm gonna pick you guys up." And I was like, "Okay, cool, let's go." And so it was pretty cool. I really enjoyed it. My husband and I were talking about it. I was like, maybe in the future we'll buy some tickets so that we can go and take the kids. But we'll see. So here I'm just like stamping with my rolling date stamp, and here I'm just journaling a little bit about my daughter's high school's first football game, and it was her first game out there, and they performed the halftime show. And then I decided that I would use an arrow because this kit has a couple arrows in different colors, and I thought I would put it where she's at in the front of the V formation. We were super proud of her, and we're rooting for her and cheering for her. This top card here, I kind of ran out of journaling cards. So I was going to use this for something else, but decided that I would just use it for journaling. It's where I describe a little bit about the experience about going to the movies and all that good stuff. I just added a label and a die cut and called that card good. And then the last is just my journaling card at the bottom there. I did use that travel stamp and then put loving this or something like that. And I just journal a little bit about our VIP experience at the Grizzlies game. It was super cool because we actually got to take a picture with Parker, and it's usually really hard to get a hold of him, but since you're up there where all the VIPs are at, it was cool to take a picture with him, and we showed it to the kids, and the kids were all jelly. We're like, that's so cool, you guys got to take a picture, you guys got to take a picture with Parker. So that was cool. And then my husband's friend Eddie, he caught a foul ball, and that was super cool. So yeah, plenty of a bunch of cool stuff, very different experience. I would love for my kids to experience that as well. So I don't know, we'll see what happens in the future. And that is pretty much it, guys. Here I'm just showing you a cover of what they gave us from our all staff day, and they gave us this ticket, and that actually was a raffle. To have lunch with the superintendent, and that was pretty cool. I didn't win anything because I usually don't win anything. I don't ever win any of those things because I don't have good luck. But yeah, it was cool. I do hole punch these things off camera, and I put it in the album just for me to have, like, you know, a little memory of what happened that day. So yeah, that is pretty much it. I just follow up with these journaling cards at the end. And that is about it. Nothing too crazy for this week. I feel like this week came together fast. Nothing too complicated. I do feel like I had lots of pictures, but I did journal a lot this time around. So yeah, I call this good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. And hope you guys have a fabulous day. And just really quick, because this weekend is actually Labor Day weekend. Do you guys have any plans for Labor Day weekend? Leave that in the comment. I would love to see what you guys are up to. I'm actually gonna hang out with some friends for Labor Day, so we're gonna do some crafting, and I'm actually excited to do that. So I don't know, we might do lunch or brunch. So it'll be fun. So let me know in the comments what you guys are doing. All right, and that's it for this week, guys. I hope you guys tune in to my video next week. I'll see you guys then. Bye, guys.